Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your Homescapes account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Homescapes account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Homescape application. The home page of Homescapes application will appear on the screen. Click on play button. On the next page, click on little gear icon at the top right corner of the page. From the pop-up, click on Save Process option. Now all you need to do is tap on Sign in with Google. You can also sign in with your Facebook account as well. Choose a Google account and tap on it. You'll be logged into your account in no time. This is how you can log into your Homescapes account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.